These fog are like a ghost, yeah, directly coming on my face. Guys, this is how one feels to be riding through the jungle in the morning. Today is 16 January, New Year, calling for new ride. So I'm starting from Guwahati. Now it is 3:43. I hope to reach by 8 a.m. Air is very cold. Okay, let's go. Lord, give me safe journey. Look at this. It's very clear. This is how I love to ride. When the road is really free, it's good to ride. I am in the 6 Mile Bridge, 270 kilometers to reach, and it is showing now 5 hours and 11 minutes. Great, so let's munch miles. This area, the fog is quite thick. These fog are like a ghost, yeah, directly coming on my face. Ooh. If it has a face, then it will become like a ghost. Guys, this is complete blindness, man. Oh my god, this bus is doing well. Luckily, they have memorized the road, so that's a little bit of advantage. Need some water break. Thankfully this glove is very thick. It's a double, all weather, rainproof or water resistant. Guys, this is how one feels to be riding through the jungle in the morning. Beautiful, beautiful early morning. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that, one gang of monkeys. Can you see? OMG, man, there are small ones also. Wow. Fantastic, what a view. Thank you. Dimapur 6, Kohima 80, Imphal 219, More 329. So welcome to Dimapur, Nagaland. Guys, the Dimapur city tower. Now we'll be going through the busiest part of the town. Shops are just opening up now only. Hong Kong market, all those famous stuff that you hear, they are concentrated in this area. And now we have the one and only flyover of Dimapur town.